Hello, welcome to Dinner Peace channel. Today we are going to talk about criticisms of existentialism in the philosophy of education. Existentialism in education is criticized for prioritizing radical individual subjectivity over objective knowledge, creating a practical curriculum that ignores social responsibility. Critics argue that its focus on existential crisis hinders steady educational development, while its lack of empirical structure makes it unsuited for formal schooling. Criticisms of existentialism in education. Individualism and lack of social responsibility. Existentialism focuses on individual freedom and subjective experience, which can be seen as neglecting the importance of social context and collective responsibility. Critics argue that it can lead to a self-centered approach, where individuals prioritize their own choices without considering the impact on others. This emphasis on the individual can undermine the development of social solidarity and cooperation, hindering collective action for social progress. Moral relativism and ethical uncertainty. The emphasis on individual freedom can lead to moral relativism, where any choice is deemed acceptable as long as it's authentically chosen. This lack of clear ethical guidelines can be problematic, as it offers no stable foundation for making moral decisions or resolving ethical dilemmas. It can lead to self-centeredness, as individuals may not feel bound by any overarching moral principles. Existential angst and potential for despair. Some critics argue that this focus can lead to a sense of despair and inaction, rather than empowering individuals to create meaning and purpose. The emphasis on individual freedom, responsibility, and the resulting anxiety may not be helpful or comforting to those struggling with existential crisis. Practicality and applicability. Critics argue that existentialism emphasis on abstract concepts like freedom and subjectivity can be difficult to translate into practical educational approaches. The focus on individual choice and self-discovery may not be suitable for all learners, especially those who prefer more structured learning environments. Potential for quietism and inaction. Existentialism focuses on individual freedom and the lack of predetermined meaning, has been criticized for potentially leading to a quietism of despair. This potential for inaction could hinder students' motivation and engagement in the learning process. In essence, while existentialism emphasizes freedom and self-discovery, it faces criticisms regarding a lack of clear ethical guidelines, as well as individualism, social responsibility, and practical guidance, which have led to significant criticisms within the philosophy of education. Thanks for watching.